Ciao Tesla people. So today I wanted to do the test of the matrix lights, so the adjustable lights that Tesla enabled via OTA. So I'm going to take a ride outside the town, so make sure it's dark, and hopefully I find someone, because today is not a great day, it's raining, and probably there are not that many cars, so we'll see. Hopefully I can do it. Pretty cold, rainy as I said, and let's see how it goes. So I'm getting out of town, and let's see how it goes, okay? The road sucks here, and with the Model Y Performance you can feel it, everything. It stopped the rain, which is good. Let's see how it goes, because I want to see how these metric lights are, adaptive lights are. I'm very curious. So houses should be done here, and lights should be done after this curve. Maybe not. They put lights over here too. What the hell? Okay. Okay, so it turned on automatically turned on the headlights as soon as there were less street lights, which is pretty cool. There is some rain coming down, so let me turn on and actually here is a car coming. Yeah, it dimmed the light towards the car, which is cool. Another one here again. Yeah, it's working. Let me turn on the wipers here. Let me too. Hopefully it picked up on the camera. So basically what it did is here again, yeah, and it created basically a cone of darkness directly to the car coming to the opposite side. I'm not sure how much is visible. With the eyes you can tell. So basically how it works, you turn on the headlights, and I have to, let me go straight here, so I can turn inside the town. So it basically turn on, when you select, you turn on the matrix light, the adaptive headlights, when there is not enough light, so street lights. It basically automatically turns them on, so you don't have to switch with the lever on the left side. Of course you can flash it. Actually, can you flash it? Yeah. So I turn it off, and now I turn it on. And back on, okay? pretty interesting. Unfortunately, I'm not encountering cars, but the cars that I encountered before, you could tell that the lights got dimmed to a cone of darkness right directly on the car coming from the opposite side, that's the point of the lights. Very cool system. Finally, let me turn here so I can go back to the other street. And it keeps the headlights even inside the town, which is interesting. I was under the impression that would turn off the headlights when there is enough light from street lights, of course. That's not the case. And it's pretty cool. I'm not sure how much the camera picked it up. I wanted to do a test by standing still in my courtyard at my house, but you cannot actually turn on the headlights standing still. You can flash it, and I wanted to do the test by turning them on, and then with a flashlight to beam light towards the camera, because that's how I think it's supposed to work. That the cameras pick up the lights, and then so gives to the matrix light system the signal that there is a car coming towards me. But it doesn't let me do it so I have to do a test by driving, and finding someone here is not that easy. So I'll go back and see if I encounter somebody else. Okay, I'm going to turn right here. Nobody's coming. Okay. So the headlights are on. Let's see if I find some caveat to do this test. And I can tell you that the lights are like, here is that's it. So they work pretty well. So it dimmed the light towards the car, which is good. And the other guy, and it works because the other guy, none of the car flashed at me. You know, if I had the lights on all the time and it wasn't working, they would flash at me for sure. Here is another one. So he actually turned off his headlights. I'm not going to. Yeah, and it dimmed the lights towards him. Pretty cool. I like that. Very cool. I wish I could do the test by park the car, turn on the lights and the headlights, and use the flashlight to simulate a car coming in, but I couldn't do it. I have to figure out if it's able to do it or not. Maybe it needs to be in motion, the car, I guess. Not sure. Maybe I'll pose a question. If you know, please comment, so that the headlights matrix light system works only when the car is in motion. Here is another one. It turned off his headlights. I'm not going to. And he's not flashing. And you see the cone on him. I have a car behind me. Okay. Pretty cool. I like it. Anyway, please leave a comment if you have any. Put a like. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications if you're already subscribed. And I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.